If you want to stay consistent on Instagram in 2020, you need automation. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple automation tool to save you time and help you grow your Instagram account. What's going on, everyone? It's Ryan here. One of the biggest challenges that many content creators and brands have with Instagram is being consistent with their posting to actually get meaningful results. However, in order to grow your Instagram followers, you would have to upload engaging content, follow users, like their posts, comment on them. Isn't that a painful task? But what if I tell you there's a way to build your Instagram followers without spending hours and hours on the platform? You heard it right. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple Instagram bot to help you stay consistent on Instagram and grow your followers. So in order to build this bot, we need to install Python and a library called Selenium, which give us the ability to control our web browser. And there are just 4 steps in the process. First, we're going to open Instagram on a Chrome browser using the Chrome driver tool. Log in with my credential. Next, we're going to create a list of hashtags that are relevant to our content. Finally, for every hashtag in the hashtag list, we're going to follow each hashtag and like 10 photos from each hashtag. So let's do this. First, we're going to import all the dependencies that the script needs to run. I have pre-initialized a WebDriver object and call it browser. Then we're going to use the browser.get method to open the Instagram page on a Chrome browser. Next, let's write code to automate the login process. Define element by name method is one of the locator strategy provided by the Selenium library to locate element in a web page. Here, we want to locate the username input field and the password input field from the login page. And we're going to use the send keys method to fill in my username and password. Finally, we click the login button to log in using the find element by XPath. XPath is a technique in Selenium to navigate through the HTML structure of a page. Alright, so let's test our code. So let's review what we have done so far. We installed Python and a library called Selenium. We opened Instagram in Chrome browser using the browser.get method. We logged into our Instagram account with the locator strategies. Next step, we want to create a list of hashtags that is relevant to our content. Then we're going to visit every hashtag page, follow and like 10 photos from each hashtag. And that is it for this video. I hope it wasn't too confusing. Hit the like button if you liked the video, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.